In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run the accessibility checker and fix issues in Word. We'll be working inside Microsoft Word. And the goal is to make sure your document is easier to use for everyone, including people who rely on screen readers or other assistive technologies. Accessibility improvements also make documents more organized and easier to navigate in general, so this is a great habit to build into your workflow. Start by opening Microsoft Word and then opening the document you want to check. Once your file is on screen, go to the Review tab in the ribbon at the top. From there, select Check Accessibility. When you do that, the accessibility pane will open on the right side of the screen, and this is where Word will list any issues it finds in the document. Take a moment to review the results in that pane. Word typically groups items into errors, warnings, and tips. As you click on each issue, Word will jump directly to the part of the document that needs attention, which makes the review process much faster and easier. One common issue is missing alt text. If Word flags an image, chart, or graphic, select that object, then right-click and choose View Alt Text or Edit Alt Text. Add a short, clear description that explains the purpose or content of the visual. Keep it concise, but make sure it's meaningful for someone who can't see the image. Next, check your headings. Instead of manually making text larger or bold to look like a heading, use Word's built-in heading styles from the Home tab. This is important because screen readers use heading structure to help users move through a document efficiently. If your document includes tables, review each one carefully. Select the table and make sure the first row is marked as a header row. This helps assistive tools understand the table structure. Also, avoid merged or split cells whenever possible. Since they can make tables harder to interpret, you should also improve any unclear link text. If you have hyperlinks with vague wording like "click here," replace them with descriptive text that tells the reader where the link goes or what it does. Clear link text is much more helpful for accessibility and for overall readability. After making those fixes, run check accessibility again from the Review tab, go through any remaining issues, and continue resolving them until there are no critical accessibility problems left. Once everything looks good, save your document so all of your updates are preserved. If you want more help beyond this process, Microsoft's official accessibility checker support documentation is also a useful resource. And that's how to run the accessibility checker and fix issues in Word.